Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel, to another video with Fresh andIju, and I want to address something that I think it's costing me subscribers. It's actually costing me subscribers. I think I've lost two so far, and I felt like I need to address the issue. Uh, I know you're wondering why I stopped cooking and why I stopped making videos that involve cooking. There is a problem. I thought it was a small issue. Turns out it's not. Last year, in the month of December, I was experiencing some pains, and it has turned out to be a persistent issue with my hand, my left hand. I I had waved it off as a non-issue, and maybe with time it's going to heal. But then turns out I really needed the hand to rest, and I did not want to keep you guys from hearing from my voice, because I'm sure for those who have watched my previous videos before, you know, even though I cook, behind the video or the video of me cooking, there's usually good advice and good points of view that I normally share with you guys. You can check out my other videos, you will notice. And I felt like it's not really a must. Cooking is an activity I enjoy, but even when I cannot do that on camera, I can still share with you my opinion of things, my inspiration on subjects that I find matter, and hopefully that you can stick with me during this time, and even as we continue to advance our content. um Before the end of this video, I'm going to tell you what the doctor says the issue is. And as you can see, I can still move my hands very well, but I didn't think it's serious. I thought it's something that is going to go away, and I had to take a break from a lot of things. But I still have a mouth, I can speak. I am still in a little bit of pain. I opted out on getting my hand restricted because I still have work to do. And of course, it's optional to get it restricted with, I think, a band-aid or something. So I hope you can stick with me, because I am not just here to cook. You know, I am not just here to cook. I am here to share with you, speak with you, and hear from your point of view. And at the same time, share my life. Share part of my life, of course, not all. Share part of my life with you, and of course, growth. So the issue that I wanted to address today is mainly why I stopped cooking. Cooking is amazing. It's therapy to me, still is. And but I'm learning. From this break, I learned that I am really terrible at delegating. I got used to doing things myself, and especially when it comes to the kitchen, that it became very hard for me to delegate, and I just learned it the hard way. Yeah, I can delegate everything else, and I found that because of you know the feeling I have when cooking and enjoying people enjoying my food, I forgot that I can actually delegate that work, and someone else will still do it, even probably better than me. Well, probably better than me. Yeah, so it has taught me a lot of things. It has taught me that I don't have to do everything myself. I can delegate, and the results will still be good, and therefore buy myself time to heal and rest and put my energy on something else that could be even more important than that particular task. So, yeah. That's basically the biggest thing I have learned from this hand issue. The doctor called it carpal tunnel disorder. Is it? Yeah, carpal tunnel disorder. I think you should. It's a CARPAL, carpal tunnel disorder, and it's caused by putting pressure, and another thing is inflammatory something. Another cause of this carpal tunnel thing is if you're working on a laptop with a mouse so much. It can also be caused for the same. I think it talks about a compression just here on this nerve that normally translates to helping your fingers move and all that. I think so. I don't know what specifically caused this, but after a long discussion with the doctor, it says it's because I was working out so hard and I put pressure on my hand. I do a lot of exercises that I previously had done a lot of exercises not very long ago. I believe you have seen my previous video. I removed them where I was sharing my journey on the gym, and I think it's during that time that I put a lot of pressure on here. Turns out 2-3 months later it was going to cost me because I put a lot of weight here on my hands while either lifting or some heavy dumbbells or lifting my own weight, which is not where I'm supposed to be, and because of that I cost myself that. It's it can go away. It's not permanent. It's not an issue that is permanent. And as you can see, my hand can move. Of course, after a long day of utilizing that muscle, at the evening it will hurt and it's costing me a little bit of pain in the evenings. So that is why I am not able to cook. So despite this movement, I cannot really, even pulling a doorknob is causing me to feel the pain here. Leave alone chopping things and baking, cooking involves a lot of your hands and all that. So as of right now, I am taking a break from that. Can't do laundry, of course there is some of the laundries that I do, but right now I'm not able to do that because it's really giving me a lot of pain. So that is why I am not currently creating videos on cooking. I wish I could in future, and in the meantime I pray that you stay with me and don't leave my channel. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe as I show you tricks that I was, other than the painkillers I was also given something cream to massage the hand and with some techniques so that it can ease up that whole issue. I was also worried about that pain because someone who has also arthritis can experience such issue. Now, I do not believe I have it, and that's why the diagnosis ended up being the carpal tunnel disorder, which I'm really hoping it goes away very soon because I can barely lift anything, including my boy, and that makes me feel so bad. That makes me feel so bad, you guys. So yeah, my weight loss journey has not been halted. Of course, I am using every means possible to get myself in shape, and that means that I shall continue to do everything I can to get myself at a healthy weight. I am still weighing, do I say? My last measurement means that last December I added some kgs, and therefore I don't like it because I don't remember what I did in that Christmas season that caused me to gain weight. So yeah, so I hope that once I am successful in that, I'll be able to share with you the means I used to lose weight and get myself in shape. So thank you very much for sticking around, and how I pray that you guys can stick and tell me what it is that you find more interesting for me to share with you, because I'll be having a lot of conversations. And if you enjoyed this video, now that we have established that you're staying with me and calling your friends so that you can continue to share, is that the next video I am making is about the gig economy, because come on, that is what youths today are onto. Gigs economy, because working online with platforms that actually gives you some freedom, we are up for that. And how I pray that you can stick around so that we can have that conversation. Thank you so much, and let me see you in the next video.